Technology changes fast. Your support should keep up. East Carolina Computers provides practical technology services for homes and businesses across eastern North Carolina. We help with computer repair, custom computer builds, virus and spyware removal, data recovery, web design, web hosting, cloud storage, encrypted backup solutions, hosted encrypted email and remote tech support. If your computer is slow, damaged, infected, or outdated, we can help. If your business needs a professional website, secure hosting, reliable backups, encrypted email, or remote support, we can help with that too. Our focus is simple: clear answers, practical solutions, secure systems. Technology should support your life and your work, not slow it down. East Carolina Computers provides local service built around real needs. Visit East Carolina Computers.com to learn more or request service today.